And just so you know, on Weibo, I'm using their paper trading accounts because it's not yet available in my country. Their services are not available in my country, so I'm using their paper accounts. But there's no problem because I want to teach you guys how to find stocks to trade on Weibo. So as you click on the markets section, you scroll down and you check the markets movers for the day. So let me use an example. Let me show you guys an example. So if you have a bearish sentiment for the day, you have to go to top gainers to find the stocks that you want to trade. Then click on the filter. Then scroll to 50 billion market cap because you want to see the stocks with the higher market cap to trade, because with more market cap, then you will have more volume and more profits can come in. So let me use, for example, let me use NU. Let me use NU for example. So these are the top movers for the day. You can use any trade for here, any stocks from here. Why? If you have a bullish sentiment for the day, you go over to the top loser section, then you check, you do the same thing. Then these are the top losers for the day. I will show you guys why I choose the top gainers or top losers. So let's say, for example, let's use NU to take our trade. Then go over to trading view. Go over trading view. Now this is the second part of the strategy. I'm going to teach you how to use the Nadaraya Watson indicator. So to be able to add indicators to your charts, you have to click on this tag, indicators and metrics and strategies. So you type in Nadaraya Watson, then click on it. So as I click on Nadaraya Watson, as I click on it, it will appear over here. So the Nadaraya Watson indicator is just an envelope. It works like an RSI. So to know the movement of the markets, let's say the market is up. This NU market now, the NU stock is up 9% for the day. So what we're going to look for, we're going to start looking for puts or sells, anyhow you want to call it, because after the huge push to the upside, sellers are going to start selling around this area of resistance. As you can see here, the blue candle is above this envelope, line. So what we're going to do for anytime it happens, we're going to sell, we're going to buy puts here. So the strategy is that if you are looking for sales, it's literally the opposite of buys. Like it's the opposite of calls. So if we're looking for sales right now, so we have to wait for this, as you can see here, this blue candle to be over, to rise above this envelope, this green line right here. Then we're going to wait for a black candle. That is, the black candle is indicating a sell-off. That is showing that the sellers are in the markets right now. They are taking out profits. You understand? So once you see black candle or red candle, it can be red, black, any color you modify it to be. So mine is black, but it's a sell candle, it's a bearish candle, anyhow you want to call it. You wait for a black candle, As you can see, I'm in the 1 hour time frame. So you wait for a 1 hour candle to close. You have to wait for it to close before you enter your position, before you enter your trade. So as the black candle closes, what we're looking for now, we'll buy puts, because the markets are showing you that this market is going to reverse by any means possible. So we're going to buy puts and wait for it to come down from the downside. You can choose when to take your profits. You understand? It doesn't work every time, but it has a very high win rate. So when you buy your puts, you're going to wait for your profit. You can choose either 20% gain or 30% gain or 100. It can be any amount that satisfies you. Guys, we are back at Fable. I want to show you guys how to find stocks to buy calls for the day. You go over to the top loser section, like I mentioned earlier. Now there are so many stocks in the red. What we're looking for, we're going to try and buy the dip. You understand? So now this is not a live trade. For those of you that don't know, this is not live. I'm just showing the aftermarkets and how these stocks will be going down or going up. So we'll head over to trading view. We're going to use ABT as an example. Right, so what we're looking at now, you can see, as I mentioned earlier, if you are buying the dip, or if you are buying calls, or if you are buying puts, you wait for the candle to cross over this end envelope, either the green or red one. If it crosses over the red one, it's signifying a buy. That is signifying you to buy a call, just like the opposites. If it crosses over the green line, it's signifying you to buy a put, that is telling you to sell the stock. So now it's crossed this black candle, as you said, there's a bearish candle cross over this red line, signifying for a buy. You are going to wait for a blue candle that is showing you that buyers are already in the market. So after you get that blue candle close, that is the 1 hour time frame. I'm using the 1 hour time frame to trade this strategy. It's the 1 hour time frame that works best. So after you get a green candle or a blue candle, that is a bullish candle, you're going to buy your calls here after this candle closes, showing that buyers are in the market. So it's literally the same thing, you're going to find the opposites of this. Is the strategy I use every time. So if you're looking for puts, you're going to do the opposite of what I did here. If you're looking for calls, you're going to do exactly what I explained here. So it's the same strategy I use every time to find those swings that I signal out for free. So you guys should go and practice, and you can ask me any question. If you don't understand, you can ask me, you can text me personally, I'll teach you.